Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of system software and compilers. So this is Nihal G from SVC USN 1V20CS102. So today in this video we'll discuss about just predictive parsing table which comes under the topic system software and its compilers. So here it goes. Predictive parsing table. Predictive parser is a recursive descent parser which has the capability to predict which production is to be used to replace the input string. So it predicts which production we have to use before replacing the input string. So let's discuss further. So there is an algorithm for the parsing table. Algorithm to construct an LL1 parsing table. Step 1. First check all the essential conditions mentioned above and go to the step 2. Calculate first and follow. So before doing anything, we have to calculate first and follow for all the non-terminals. For the terminals thing, we have to do nothing. For the non-terminals, we have to find calculate first and follow. First, if there is a variable and form that variable, if we try to drive all the strings, then the beginning terminal symbol is called the first. Follow. What does a follow mean? What is the terminal symbol which follows a variable in the process of derivation? Step 3. For each production, A goes to epsilon, A tends to alpha, finds first alpha, and for each terminal in first alpha, makes entry A tends to alpha in the table. If first alpha contains epsilon as terminal, then find the follow of A, and for each terminal in follow A, make entry A epsilon in the table. The first alpha contains alpha and the follow A contains as a terminal, then make entry A tends to epsilon in the table for the dollar. Steps need to be followed to construct predictive parsing table. Eliminate the left recursion and perform the left factoring. As there is no left recursion in the grammar, so we need to proceed as it is. Also, there is no need for left factoring. So the first step is eliminating of left recursion. Step 2, computation of first. Step 3, computation of follow. So first we have to remove the left recursion and perform the left factoring. Further, we have to do the computation of first, then we have to compute of the follow. That's how these are the steps which we have to follow to solve the problem. Step 1, eliminating of left recursion. Example. In this example, you can see how a left recursion works and how we'll do it. Example, A tends to A alpha slash beta. Rewrite it as A tends to beta A. A dash tends to alpha A dash slash epsilon. So this is how elimination of left recursion goes. You can take a screenshot of this if you want. So the next thing is first and follow. First rule, if x is a terminal, then first of x is x. If is non-terminal, then add epsilon to the first of x first. If x is a non-terminal and x tends to a, alpha is a production, then add a to first x. So I guess you understood what is first and follow. Rules, we'll see the rules. If S is a start symbol, then follow S contains dollar. S tends to follow of S tends to dollar. A tends to alpha, beta, B. Follow B will be the first B if first B is not having epsilon. A tends to alpha, beta, B. Follow B will be the first beta if first B will be the epsilon, then follow of B is equal to follow of A. So let's see an example. In this, you can see an example. E tends to T. So this is a grammar which is given. Then we'll find first of E. First for finding first of E, we'll go to first of T. From first of T to first of F. In that we can see the opening braces and ID are the first of F. First of F is basically the opening braces and the ID. First of E dash. First of E dash is nothing but plus and epsilon. First of T. First for finding first of T, you have to the first of T there is a non-terminal, so F you have to go to the F of terminal. F has the first as opening brace, open parenthesis and ID. So for first of T dash it's star and epsilon. For first of F it is opening braces and ID again. So let's move further. Then how to find follow. In this you can see for the following grammar, you can see how the follow has been found out. First you have to find the first, then you have to find the follow for the same parser. It's moving on. So with finding out the first and follow, we'll get the predictive parsing table. We'll write all the non terminals over here and non terminals in this side, and we'll write this table. We form the table. This is called the predictive parsing table. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this video and you understood what are the predictive parsing table. Thank you.